Today, we're diving into something that shapes our world in ways we don't always notice: art. From the colors we see every day to the music that lifts our mood, art is everywhere. It's more than drawings and paintings. It's emotion, expression, and the story of who we are. So join us as we explore what art really means and why it matters in our everyday lives. Art is anything created with imagination and emotion. It can be a drawing, a dance, a song, a building, or even the way someone styles their clothes. Art shows how we feel, how we think, and how we see the world. What makes art special is that there is no right or wrong. One picture can mean different things to different people. Minsan, simple lang tingnan, pero malalim pala ang kwento. That's the beauty of it. Maybe you think art is just painting on a canvas or a sculptures in a museum, but it's so much more than that. Art is in the way we decorate our rooms, the songs we play when we're sad or happy, the photos we take to capture a moment, and even the stories we tell. Every color, every design, every rhythm you experience, that's art working behind the scene, making life more meaningful and expressive. It helps us feel, imagine, understand, and sometimes escape. And whether we realize it or not, we all create art in our own way, through our style, our words, our creativity, and the way we see the world. Art helps us express ourselves when words aren't enough. It inspires us, connects us, and reminds us that creativity is part of being human.